gonna start seated upright, crisscross or lotus, hands either rested on your knees or inner thighs, or have the palms facing up, finger and thumb connected. As you sit up tall with every inhale, lengthen your neck, strengthen your spine, your back. With every exhale, soften the shoulders, arms, legs, and feet. And inhale through the nose, and exhale, favoring your throat, helps to soften the muscles, de-stress the body. Keep the lower back pressing forward. Keep the muscles in between the shoulder blades flexed. Take a moment, acknowledge this alignment. This is how you want to remain every time you're upright, seated or standing. After class, as you walk out the door, out of the building, this is the alignment to hold on to. Keeping the upper back flexed, inhale, bring the arms up to goalpost. Exhale, relax the shoulders, keeping the back strong, neck straight. Inhale, straighten the arms up next to the ears. Exhale, back to goalpost. 2 more times. Inhale, straight up. Exhale, back to goalpost. Inhale, 1 more time. Hold your breath, hold it up for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, goalpost. Inhale, exhale, arms forward and out, wide V. Keep the neck straight. Try not to let yourself lean or tilt forward. And inhale, arms up and back, wide V. Exhale, forward and down, 2 more. Neck straight. Inhale, arms up and back. Exhale, forward, down. Last time, holding your breath. Inhale, hold it in for 3, 2, 1. Exhale, all the way down. Walk the left arm out. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, slight press on the left of the head. Open up left ear to shoulder. Keep the right shoulder down. Make sure it doesn't bunch up next to the ear. Opening up the left of the neck. Check back in with the lumbar. Make sure it's pressing forward. As the neck loosens up, inhale. Exhale, press down just a bit further. Nothing intense. Keep it gentle, but a challenge. Keep using your throat for each exhale. Inhale, grab the back of your head at the top. Exhale, turn your chin towards your right shoulder and press the chin down. So you're moving your head and neck in 2 distinct directions. Keep the torso tall. Make sure not to lean, slouch, or tilt. Challenge the neck. Inhale, hand behind the head. Exhale, press your chin down towards your chest. Keep the upper back flexed. Feel the strength in between the shoulder blades, but then that strength stops at the neck. You feel the softness behind the neck. Inhale, bring that head up. Exhale, right arm down. Walk it out as far as you can. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, slight press. Open up right ear to shoulder. Keep the left shoulder down. Feel that lower back pressing forward. Keep yourself upright, just with a tilted neck. Open up right ear to shoulder. Feel the neck soften. Feel the tension fade. Inhale. Exhale, press just a bit further down. Keep it gentle, but a challenge. Inhale, grabbing the back of your head at the top. Exhale, turn your chin towards your left shoulder and press it down. Make sure you have that neck moving in those two distinct directions. Feel the lower back pushing forward. Feel the torso tall and straight. Final moment, final position in the neck flow. So really feel the strength in the back. Inhale, head up. Exhale, left arm down. Let's go ahead and scoot ourselves towards the front of the mat so we can recline onto the mat, keeping the head on the mat. Arms in front using the core. Inhale, slowly back with 8, 7, 6. Use your abs slowly down. 4, 3, 2, into corpse pose. Fully disengage. Relax every muscle group. Every part of the body is turning off, shutting down. Feel as if your body is sinking down into the ground. Completely still and soft. Starting over, starting from scratch. When we do re-engage, we'll start with only the arms and hands, briefly the right leg. Everything else feels as if it's still in the corpse pose. And re-engage. Inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, pull the right leg tightly in against the torso, up towards the chin and over towards the left shoulder. The right leg is now once again relaxed. The muscles we're using are in the arms and hands. Everything else is off. Both legs relaxed. The torso is soft. Feel that pull in the lower right of your back. Place that right leg in a challenging position, not just a comfortable placement. Really pull that leg in, up, and to the left. Inhale, right hand grabs your right foot or ankle. Exhale, straighten the left arm out to the side. Inhale, pull the right foot above your chest. Exhale, pull the knee tightly in against the chest. If the foot is too far to reach, grab your ankle or calf. Make sure the foot doesn't lower itself above the rib cage or stomach. Keep it above the chest. Keep the knee close to the torso. Fully relax the right leg. Feel it being held in place with the right arm. Allow your exhales to relax your leg. Inhale, both hands grab your right hamstring. Exhale, straighten the right leg up towards the ceiling. Hold the leg in place with the strength in the arms and hands, using minimal muscular effort in that right leg. Use the strength of your core to help keep the right leg straight. If you notice the knee is significantly bent, feel free to lower that leg to a smaller angle so you can avoid bending the knee. Once you have that line, hold it there with the arms and hands. Allow the leg to soften. Feel the tension on the underside of your leg fading. As it does, inhale. Exhale, pull the right leg back 1 or 2 degrees. Still straight. Feel some new tension on the underside of the leg. But as before, relax the leg to release the tension. Use your core. Use the arms and hands. And once this angle feels a bit less tense, inhale. Exhale, move the right leg in towards the center slightly. Now feeling tension on the outside of the leg. Keep it straight, keep it relaxed. Find the comfort in this new angle. Inhale, left hand grabs your right ankle. Exhale, move the right leg across your body onto the floor on the left side. Keep the leg straight. Reach your left arm as close, left hand as close to your right foot as possible, whether it's your knee, shin, or toe. Use a deep exhale to assist that reach, assist your twist, bringing the right shoulder blade closer to the floor. Feel the tension in the torso, but allow each exhale to release some of that tension. Let's extend the twist for a few moments. Inhale, reach the left arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, relax the left shoulder. Inhale, right hand grabs your left elbow tricep. Exhale, pull the left arm behind your back towards your shoulder blade or past the shoulder blade towards the floor. Keep the right leg straight. Keep using your deep exhale to assist your twist. And entering our reclined pigeon. Inhale, right ankle to the left knee. Exhale, turn it to your back. Inhale, grab the left hamstring with both hands. Exhale, pull that left leg in, forcing your right ankle in. Keep the lower back on the mat. We're challenging the right leg here. Not so much focusing on the back, so make sure the lumbar stays grounded. Feeling that tension we're bringing into that right leg. Allow the tension to fade. Soften the right leg. Feel as if it's shutting off. Release all the effort from the right leg. Almost as if it's detaching from the rest of your body. As that right leg feels a bit more comfortable, inhale, exhale, pull the left leg in a little closer, lumbar stays grounded, right ankle a bit closer to the chest. Feel some new tension in that right leg, but as before, relax the right leg to release the tension. Inhale. Exhale, straighten the right leg down onto the floor. Now, let's pull the left leg tightly in against the torso, up towards the chin and over towards the right shoulder, moving that left leg in 3 directions. Feel the strength in the arms and hands, but relax everything else. Everything except the arms and hands is back in the corpse pose. Soften both legs, relax the torso, even up to the shoulders, neck, and jaw. Feel as if there's an on switch, engaging the arms and hands. Everything else remains off. Really open up the lower left of your back. Inhale, left hand grabs your left foot or ankle. Exhale, straighten the right arm out to the side. Inhale, pull the left foot above your chest. Exhale, pull the knee tightly in against the chest. Remember, if the foot is too far to reach, grab the ankle or calf. Keep the foot above the chest, keep the knee close to the torso. Use the strength in the arm and hand to hold the leg in place. Allow the leg to relax. Inhale, both hands grab your left hamstring. Exhale, straighten that left leg up. Once again, find a straight line with that raised leg. If you need to, lower the leg in order to avoid bending the knee. When you have that straight line, hold it there with the arms and hands. Even use some of your core strength. Squeeze the abs to help keep the leg straight, using minimal muscular effort in that left leg. Feel the tension on the underside of that left leg, but let it go. Find the comfort in this angle. Soften the leg while keeping it straight. As this angle feels a bit easier, inhale, exhale, pull the left leg back 1 or 2 degrees further. Still straight, feeling some new tension now. Use the arms, hands, and core. Allow the leg to relax. Finding comfort in this new angle. Inhale, exhale, move the left leg in towards the center, feeling that tension on the outside of the leg. But soften the leg. Use each exhale to relax. Feel the tension fade. Inhale, right hand grabs your left ankle. Exhale, bring that left leg across your body onto the floor on the right side, keeping that left leg straight. Reach your right hand as close to your left foot as possible. Use a deep exhale to assist that twist and reach. Whether your hand is at your foot, shin, or knee. Left shoulder blade getting closer to the floor. Feel the left leg soften. And let's extend this twist as we inhale, reach the right arm up towards the ceiling. Exhale, relax the right shoulder. Inhale, left hand grabs your right elbow, tricep. Exhale, pull the right arm behind your back towards the shoulder blade or past the shoulder blade towards the floor. Feel each deep exhale, assisting that reach behind your back. Keep the left leg straight. into our reclined pigeon once again. Inhale, left ankle to the right knee. Exhale, turn it to your back. Inhale, grabbing the right hamstring. Exhale, slight tug of that right leg, forcing that left ankle in. Lumbar stays on the ground. Feel that tension you're bringing into the left leg, but shut that left leg down. Feel as if it's going completely loose and limp like a noodle. Letting that tension dissipate. Keeping the lumbar grounded, inhale, exhale, pull the right leg in a little closer, bringing that left ankle in a little closer. Final moments in the reclined pigeon. Inhale. Exhale, bring both legs to tabletop. Hands at your side, palms on the floor, feet flexed. Use the core strength to inhale. Exhale, straighten the legs up. Squeeze the abs to lock the legs straight, to flex the feet, pressing the heels up towards the ceiling. Feel the abs engaged. Move the strength from the legs down to your core. And let's continue to use the core as we bring the legs back into the plow position. Inhale, exhale, legs up and back. Use the hands to support your lower back if necessary, or keep the arms on the floor. If you need to keep the legs up high to keep them straight, that's fine. Or if you can, keep them straight. Bring the feet as close to the floor as possible. Make sure to avoid bending the knees. Feel that pull in the lumbar and thoracic behind the rib cage. Feel the back opening up, legs remaining straight. And when we remove ourselves from the plow, let's use our core strength to bring the legs back around slowly with an 8 count. And inhale, exhale, legs back around with 8, 7, 6. Halfway back down slowly with 4, 3, 2, heels grounded. Let's go ahead and flip over onto our stomachs, spin around so we can see ourselves in the mirrors. I know you spent all weekend picking out your outfits, so of course, you want to be able to look at yourself. Go ahead and spin around so you can look at yourself in the front and see me just a little bit better. We're gonna give our wrists some therapy for right now. Keeping ourselves rested on our forearms, let's bring the fingers and knuckles up and press them back. Feel the challenge behind the wrists. Don't lift the wrists up, press the knuckles and fingers back. Feel that discomfort just for a little bit. We need to give that wrist some therapy. Inhale. Exhale, bring the hands down. And let's bring the fingers facing each other, right hand in between the left wrist and knuckle. 5 strong and fast presses, then hold. Inhale, press 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, press and hold. Open up behind the left wrist. Really push that left hand down. Inhale, exhale, release. Bring the right arm back. Left fingers in between the right knuckle and wrist, same thing. Inhale, press 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, press and hold. Really open up the back of that right wrist. When we lift, when we perform planks and push-ups, sometimes our wrists feel some fatigue. Let's prepare for that now. Inhale, exhale, release. Let's ground the hands. Inhale, exhale, bring it up to hands and knees. For this, we're gonna bring the palms up, then the knuckles up, then the knuckles back down, then the palms down. But don't let yourself lean back. Keep yourself over the wrists. I'm gonna do this sideways for our home viewers. And begin. Palms up, knuckles down, palms down. Up to the knuckles, up to the fingers, leaning forward, down to knuckles, 2 more times. Halfway up, all the way up, lean it forward, halfway back. 1 more time, palms up, knuckles down, palms down. Let's bring the knees back, feet up, and we're gonna lean the shoulders in front of the fingers. One last wrist therapeutic moment. Inhale, exhale, bring it back to our child's pose. Roll the hands around, wiggle the fingers, give yourself a few moments. Loosening up the hands, fingers, wrists. And inhale, ground the hands up to our kneeling position. And for our home viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you for joining us today.